This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the day they release us is false. I'm going to give us a false narrative to market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, Citadel is trying to paint me as a conspiracy theorist. Like I'm the only one that lost money because of AMC and that there are no counterfeit shares, that I'm just inventing all this nonsense. Like nobody else was affected by their criminal behavior, in my opinion. I am asking you guys, send letters to the courts if you were affected by the fraud and corruption in the AMC play. Let the courts know how this affected you and your family. I'm putting a link with the court's address in the description below so everybody can see it, because I tweeted and a lot of people have been sending me messages. I guess they're not on Twitter or somehow they're not getting the tweets, but I will put it in this video so everybody can have the court's address. And if you were affected, whether negatively or positively, maybe you turned out great because of all the fraud and corruption in AMC. But the courts need to know that this fraud and corruption, the lack of accountability by the SEC, has caused millions of investors nationally and internationally to lose tons of money. Okay, and we need to let the courts know how this has affected real investors, real people. They're trying to paint a picture of it's just me, that I'm the only one that was negatively affected by their actions. The courts need to know that this goes beyond me, that there's millions of investors who were harmed because of these defendants' bad actions. Okay? If we go to mediation, it's going to cost like $50,000. And we're going to split that between myself and the 5 defendants. So I'm going to have to come out the pocket about $10,000. And I'm not asking anybody to send me any money. I'm going to fund that on my own. I'm going to fund that on my own. All I'm asking is to please, if you were harmed by the actions in this AMC play, let the courts know. Let the courts know what's going on. Let the courts know that I'm not the only one that was negatively affected by the actions of these bad actors and the inaction of the SEC. I mean, how can FINRA claim that they're not part of a RICO conspiracy when they're the ones that are allowing millions of AMC FTDs to just disappear overseas while they are constantly pushing the price of AMC down? And the SEC has to see the data that we're seeing. And matter of fact, they have access to better data than we have access to. So they know exactly what's going on. But they fail to protect the market. They fail to protect retail investors. They fail to protect institutions who don't break the rules. The bottom line is this. We can't sit on the sidelines and allow these bad actors to continue robbing retail investors, pension funds, and the institutions that follow the rules. We can't allow them to do that anymore. It has to come to an end. And this lawsuit is the best chance I think we have of getting this information to the courts, getting it out to the public so everybody knows what's going on. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Were you negatively affected by what happened with AMC? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.